Welcome to our quick tour on how to create an SMS project. Let's start by accessing My Dashboard. Click on the Create Project button. This will open a project detail form. Fill in the details, project name, application, and project description. In the Channel section, enable SMS service and click Create Project. Your project has been created successfully. Now you can test the SMS service. In the project confirmation pop-up, Test SMS button. This will open the Try SMS page. For the test SMS, the sender number is set by default. Enter the recipient number, select the test template, and click on the Send button. Confirm that the recipient number receives the message. Your SMS project is now listed in the My SMS Project section. For more information, visit us at www.enablex.io.